Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 4V cordless multi-cutter from Parkside, the model PMSA 4A1 with battery and charging cable. Battery 4V lithium-ion 2000 mAh, no load rotation speed 270 RPM, cutting blade diameter 41 mm, material cutting capacity max 6.4 mm. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. In a lovely case with a manual included. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. The cable, 1.5 meters, type A to type C, no power adapter included, use your own power adapter, 5V, 2 amp. Soft element around, soft grip. The compact and lightweight build ensures that the tool is comfortable to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. Its ergonomic handle also offers a secure grip for better control while cutting. A built-in safety switch prevents accidental startups, adding an extra layer of protection during use and storage. It doesn't work, press the switch and then it will work. The motor is designed for reliable performance, providing consistent power for smooth and precise cuts. This ensures clean edges and reduces the change of snags or tearing, especially when working with fabrics and plastics. The trigger, soft, I like that, and here the tool is powered by 4V rechargeable lithium-ion battery, type C connection, which provides the convenience of cordless use. This allows for maximum mobility, especially when cutting large or awkward materials where cables may get in the way. And it's charging. We have a red, yellow, and the maximum it is the green. Here it is the cutting blade, the screw that is holding the cutting blade. If you want to replace the cutting blade, remove the screw and replace it. We have the guard, the guide. So let's wait until it will fully charge and have the 100% power to test this tool. Fully charge it, let's unplug. So I think the first test it is with paper. Okay, let's see. That was very easy. Plastic. That was very easy. Nice! Let's try with leather. Okay, that was very easy. Designed to handle a wide range of materials, the tool can cut through fabric, plastic, leather, carpet and cardboard. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for hobbyists, crafters and homeowners alike. The Parkside Cordless Multicutter is a handy, portable tool that provides precision and power in a variety of cutting applications. Its cordless design, ergonomic grip, and efficient blade system makes it an excellent choice for both home users and professionals, whether you are working on craft, home improvement projects, or light industrial tasks. This multicutter ensures clean, smooth cuts with minimal effort. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe for more tool reviews, tips and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next video.